What's the meaning of Cuban? Cuban. Cuban.
Cuban. Cuban. Cuban generally refers to anything related to Cuba, which is a country in the Caribbean. The term can refer to the people, culture, language, food, music, and many other aspects of Cuban society. Cuba is known for its history, stunning architecture, beautiful beaches, cultural diversity, and political system. Some famous Cubans include Fidel Castro, Ernest Hemingway, Celia Cruz, and Gloria Estefan. Cuban cuisine is also popular globally, with dishes such as ropa vieja, moros y cristianos, and tostines. Overall, Cuban represents a lively and colorful culture with a unique blend of influences from Africa, Europe, and the Americas.